Hey guys, today we're at 7615 Canyon Meadows Circle, Unit H in Pleasanton, California. Come along, let's check it out. For those of you with fur babies, this is a pet-friendly complex with plenty of grass space. Comes with a gym and clubhouse. Also comes with a basketball half court, full volleyball court in sand, full tennis court, and a sparkly pool and hot tub. Now let's check inside. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, 1,043 square foot, has a fireplace, engineered hardwood floors, 2 balconies, one off the living room and one off the primary bedroom, great views, an updated kitchen with dining area, Wilson art countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, pantry space, storage closet, first bedroom, remodeled bathrooms. Here's our first full bath. Comes with an in-unit laundry closet, washer and dryer included, and our master bedroom with its own balcony. Both balconies have great views. Comes with 1 car detached garage with additional driveway parking space. HOA includes waste management and water. You got a walk-in closet, short distance to BART shopping and restaurants, full master bath with a tub. Alright guys, that was today's tour. If you like this property, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box. Otherwise, follow me on social media, check out my website, chrisleeluna.com, and I'll see you guys next time.